Tisalona, 17, Team Mugen!
Candidate, Miss Los Baños number 5, Eliza Tisalona. Hello, Miss Eliza. Ang dami mong awards kanina. How does it feel?
Sobrang saya dahil hindi ko yung makakuha yung mga awards kundi dahil sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
All right. Give a shout out naman to your fans. There they are all.
I would love to take this opportunity para magpasalamat sa mga friends and family ko na nandito. Dahil kung wala sila ngayong sinusuportahan ako, wala rin ako sa inyong harapan ngayon. Thank you.
That's true. Now, Eliza, you are currently a senior high school student at Aureliano University. And you also love singing, acting, and admits to being obsessed with traveling to enrich your personality. That's an interesting part of you. Among the places that you have been to, what has been your favorite destination so far and why?
Thank you. Hindi na tayo lalayo dahil dito pa lang sa bayan ng Los Baños ay napakadaming magagandang tanawin. Dito sa Barangay Timugan, alam ko dito ay may puso ng kasiglahan dito sa Los Baños at ang masisiglang mga kabataan. Thank you.
So your judge is Mr. Leo Ortiz.
Hello, good evening, candidate number 5.
Hello, good evening po.
How are you?
I'm good. Medyo kinakabahan pero nawawala yung kaba ko kapag nakikita ko yung pamilya ko na nasa gilid nakasuporta sa akin. Thank you.
That's good. So here's your question, candidate number 5. So you are part of pageantry. So definitely you are a role model and part of the tourism industry. As a young tourism ambassador, how can you promote sustainable tourism to ensure that popular destinations are preserved for future generations? Would you like me to translate in Filipino as well?
Okay po.
Sige. Bilang kabataan na kinatawanan ng industriya ng turismo, paano natin isusulong ang turismong pangmatagalan na sisiguraduhin ang mga sikat na pasyalan ay maaabutan at mapapakinabangan ng susunod na henerasyon?
Thank you for the wonderful question. Naniniwala po ako na mapapreserve natin ang bayan ng Los Baños sa pamamagitan ng disiplina at respeto sa ating kalikasan. Dahil naniniwala ako na kapag wala tayong disiplina at respeto sa ating kalikasan, ito ay pwedeng masira at pwedeng hindi na magamit ng ibang henerasyon. Thank you.
Miss Los Baños 2025! Congratulations, candidate number 5!